Welcome to Quoteman. In this video, you will learn about the quotation approval system in Quoteman. First, let's understand more about the quotation approval system. In business, the quotations often get approved by the seniors of the company to make sure that there are no errors in the quotation. These quotations are shown to the seniors on WhatsApp, email, or in person. Quoteman has a built-in approval system that makes the whole quotation approval seamless and faster. Now let's see how the approval system works in Quoteman. Log into your admin account using your registered mobile number and password. First, admin will make sure that the approval system is turned on. To turn on this feature, simply head over to the settings option and activate the approval system. Once activated, a confirmation notification will appear. Now, whenever a salesperson creates a quotation, a notification is triggered to the admin like this. The admin can either click on notification to view the quotation directly or go to the quotation list, where he will find the quotation with pending approval marked in grey. On viewing this quotation, you will see not approved as a watermark. You can check the quotation and select the approval status from the drop-down menu, which is located at the top left corner of the page. If you select reject, Quoteman will ask you to enter comments. These comments will be displayed to the salesperson. The salesperson will receive a notification regarding the quotation's rejection. The salesperson can make the corrections as per the comment and save it. This comment gets saved in the quotation history as the quotation is being edited. The admin will receive a notification against the changes made from the salesperson. The admin can now approve the quotation from the drop-down menu, and the not approved watermark will be removed. As soon as the admin approves the quotation, a notification is sent to the salesperson. The salesperson will not be able to notify the customer or save the quotation as PDF for all non-approved quotations. The best part of the quotation approval system is that the salesperson can use the notify feature only if the approval status is marked as approved. This approval process helps maintain pricing control and ensures internal authorization before sending quotations. That's how the quotation approval system works in Quoteman. Thank you for watching. Visit quoteman.in to manage your quotations with a structured approval workflow.